Today I want to introduce our 1-bay hard disk docking station. Let's see what we have in this box. A hard disk docking, USB cable, power cable, power adapter, and the manual. You can see here is the SATA connector. You can connect to a 2.5-inch hard disk or 3.5-inch hard disk. In the back part, you can see here is the power switch, power port, and the USB port. In the front part, we have 3 USB ports, so you can connect to flash drive. To connect this device, you can put your hard disk like this, and to take it out, just push here and it's out. Now, let's see how this device works. We have to plug the power and plug the USB port to the laptop. And then switch on. You can see that the lights go on and you can start to plug the hard disk. And if you want to, you can plug the USB driver like this. To check your device, just click on the computer and you can see here that the hard disk device is over here and the flash drive is over here.